Hiya, welcome back. Right, today I'm home alone. Gillian's at work, I'm bored, it's raining, it's not raining, it's thundering, it's not thundering, can't win. Anyway, but nothing else to do, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to black my badges out. So I've already done the side rail. Let me show you, hang on. So I've done that a few months ago. I actually wrapped it, apart from the bottom, obviously where the runner goes, but I want to wrap, sorry, not wrap, paint the front badge. So I've got some Plasti Dip somewhere. He says, now that oh yeah, I have got some Plasti Dip, which is that there. So what I'm going to do is I'll remove the badge and we'll get it flatted off and we'll paint it, and why not? Right, so for them who's never removed a rear badge off a crafter before, you've simply got 3 tabs, 1, 2, 3, just push them in and it pops off and it just hooks in on that side. I hope you can see that. And then we'll split it and give it a key, and then we'll paint it black. So that's the rear badge. So what I've done is, if you look on the back, see the little tabs, just push them in, get your little tool, wedge it under there and just gently peel away, and eventually it'll split like that. So obviously that's the part we need. So what I'll do is I'll key that, and then we'll get some paint on it. And obviously I'll do exactly the same with the front, which I haven't removed yet, but I'll show you that in a second. So all I've got is here, I've got some 1000 grit wet and dry, and I'm just going to key it off all the way around in all the nooks and crannies, ready for paint. So all I'm going to use is Plasti Dip. Dead easy to use, and if you cock it up you can peel it off. Use it numerous times to do various things. But anyway, so I'll just give it that one pass over, so I'll let that go off for a bit. That's how it looks. We'll see how it looks when it's finished. So I'll give it 10-15 minutes and then I'll give it another coat. Right, it's probably half an hour later and it looks dry, so we'll see. Oops, on my hand. Oh, God's sake. And relax. Right, I think that's I don't think we'll need any more, but I'll give it another half an hour and see what it's like. So while we're waiting for that to dry, I tried to get the front badge off, but I think what's happened is when the guys painted the grille gloss black, a lot of these painters, they like to use a bit of glue or some kind of bonding agent, Sikaflex, something like that, and they stick the badges back on because they often break the bloody tabs. Now trying to get it off, absolute nightmare, so I think that's what he's done. So I've just put the garage door down because it's blown a hoolie and it's persisting down. But I think what I'll do is, I don't know if you can see it hiding under there, instead of trying to pull it off and damage it, I'll probably mask it up and I'll just use Plasti Dip, because it doesn't matter if it goes into the black area where the badge is, because you can peel it off. So I'll let this dry, see how this looks, and if the weather holds I might try and do it. Failing that, we'll just go with the back one for now until we can sort something out for the front. Right, so that's just about dry now, and it doesn't look too bad, to be honest. It looks quite good, but because I can't get the badge off due to Painter Boy sticking it on, I've masked the front of the van off. It doesn't look the best, but who cares? It's only to stop the paint going everywhere. So what I'll do is, can you see that? I'll give it a clean, and then we will give it a little flat off. I know this says elbow grease in here, but it's not, it's panel wipe. Right, so that's cleaned. I'll just give it a little key so the paint sticks. Right, round two. Right, so we'll just let that go off, give it half an hour. Right, I've left it half an hour or so, and I'm not quite sure if you can see that on there, but it's reacted down here. So what I'm going to do is, I'll have to peel it off and do it again, which is a pain in the ass, but never mind. Can't have it looking shit, can we? Right, 2 coats in, and I think it's alright. Back one's mint, but front one reacted a couple of times. I don't know if you can see because of the light, but it's looking good. So I'll let it dry, and then obviously remove all that clart around the badge, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Right, I'll give you a quick look at the back one. That's the back one. Nice and matte black. And I've just unmasked the front, and I'll show you what that looks like. It's a bit hard to see in here actually. Still got the reflective black in the middle. I don't know if the camera picks it up. It probably depends on. Oh, I think it might get it there, does it? There. So it's reflective black in the centre and matte black where it was chrome. So that's another job off the list. See you in the next one.